everybody is present. Lahat ng nakatanggap ng subpoena except former Congressman Saldico. So with that, shall we direct the Secretariat and Orly Gutesa for that matter? So i-direct na lang natin yung...
Well, the two names that were mentioned, are they represented here somehow?
There are no representatives, Mr. President.
Therefore, I would like the committee to look into the possibility of issuing a warrant of arrest for both. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
In deference to the latest Supreme Court ruling, Mr. President, show cause order na muna natin. And if not satisfactory, saka natin i-cite for contempt and eventually mag-issue ng warrant of arrest.
Yes, that was the reason I was asking if there was a possibility of a representative from any of the two. Nevertheless, we leave it to you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. The Secretariat is directed to issue show cause orders to Congressman Elizalde Co and Orly Gutesa.